Okay, good afternoon, students, and welcome to our math class. All right, so let's continue our lesson. So yesterday I gave you the homework, right? So I want everybody to get their homework and let's try to answer that. Let me share to you, hold on. All right, so yesterday I gave you the homework. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, right? So for number 1, convert number 1 and 2, convert into minutes and show your solution. All right, so who would like to answer for number 1? So that's 11 hours and 45 minutes. So how many minutes in 11 hours and 45 minutes? Who can give me the correct answer? Who can show me a solution? Anyone? All right, just give me 1 second.
Teacher's eyes and answers.
Again, boom.
Yes.
Okay, so do you want to answer for number 1?
705 minutes.
Okay, so boom said it's 705 minutes. Okay, let's try. So first is we have to, wait, let me fix my whiteboard. Hold on. Okay, so let's try 11 multiplied by 60, right? And then plus 45. So what is 11 by 60? 11 multiplied by 60. Class, what is 11 multiplied by 60?
660.
Very good, boom, plus 45. So that's 705. Very good, boom. Okay, now let's proceed to number 2. 12 hours and 15 minutes. So how many minutes in 12 hours and 15 minutes? Spy. So Pi, what's the answer? Spy, are you there? What about Third? Third, how many minutes in 12 hours and 15 minutes?
735 minutes.
735 minutes. Let's check, okay? So 12 multiplied by 60 plus 15. So Third, what is 12 multiplied by 60? Third, what is 12 multiplied by 60?
720.
Very good, 720 plus 15. So that's 700. 45 minutes. Very good. Good job. Very good. Okay, now let's proceed to number 3. Number 3 is convert into seconds. So number 3 is 35 minutes and 40 seconds. Alpha, how many seconds in 35 minutes and 40 seconds?
2,140 seconds.
Again, please, I cannot hear you. Can you speak louder, please?
2,140
Okay, seconds. Let's try to check. That's 35 minutes times 60 plus 40. Alpha, what is 35 multiplied by 60?
2,100.
Very good, 2,100 plus 40. So that's 2,140. Very good. Good job, Alpha. Okay, now let's proceed to number 4. Number 4 is 43 minutes and 17 seconds. So how many seconds? Yada, Piada, how many seconds in 43 minutes and 17 seconds? Yada, are you there? Spy number 4. How many seconds in 43 minutes and 17 seconds? Spy, are you there? Hello? Okay, who would like to answer, class? Raise your hand. Who wants to answer for number 4? Anyone? How many seconds in 43 minutes and 17 seconds?
Teacher,
Okay, Alpha.
two thousand 597.
Again, one more time, 2,000.
597
Seconds. Okay, well, let's try to check. So that's 43 multiplied by 60 plus 17. So what is 43 multiplied by 60?
2,580.
Very good, Alpha, 2,580 plus 17. So that's 2,597. Oh, very good, Alpha. Good girl. Okay, let's proceed to number 5. Number 5 is convert hour and minutes. I mean, convert into hour and minutes. So number 5, we have 650 minutes. So how many hour and how many minutes? Who would like to answer? Okay, Pete.
Hour, 50 minutes.
Again, one more time. Can you speak louder, please? How many hours?
10 hour,
12?
50 minutes.
Is it 12? You say 12? Yes, I know.
10.
10? And then how many minutes?
50.
50. 50? Yes, I know. Okay, let's try to check. 650. So you just have, is it multiply or divide? Is it multiply or divide? Divide, very good.
5.
Divide by what? Divide by?
6.
Very good. So divide by 60. Let's try to check. Okay, that's 650 divide 60. So that's 10.83, right? So cancel this one. Put 10 over here. And then multiply, oh no, 10 multiply, is it correct? 10 multiply by what? 60. Oh, 10 multiplied by 60, that's 600, right? Now 650 minus 600 is equals to 50 minutes. So that's 10 hours and 50 minutes. Very good, Pete. Okay, last number, class, number 6. How many hours and minutes in 920 minutes? Raise your hand. I will choose. Okay, Alpha.
15 hours, 20 minutes.
Is it 15 hours, right? And 20 minutes, you say? Okay, let's try to check. So 920 divide 60, right? So let's calculate. That's 920 divide 60. So that is 15.33. So just cancel this one, cancel, and put 15 over here. Now let's multiply 15 by 60. That's, what is 15 multiplied by 60? That's 900. And then 920 minus 900, that's 20. So that's 15 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, very good. All right, do you understand, class, the conversion? Good girl, Alpha. Okay, now everybody get your math textbook. Hold on. and open on chapter 3. Just give me 1 second. Let me pull up the page for you. Again, open your math textbook on chapter 3. So we're already done with conversion of units for time. So right now, let's proceed to problem solving involving the time. Just give me 1 second. Okay, here we go. That's here. What page is it? Pete, what page? This one, this page. What page in your textbook? So open your textbook on this page. So we have,
Page 45.
okay, 45. Open your book on page 45. Thank you, Alpha. Okay, so class, let's try problem solving involving the time, okay? So here, finding duration.
41.
41? Oh, okay. All right, so finding duration in hours and minutes. So we have example number 6. So I'm gonna read it. Example number 6. May spent 1 hour and 40 minutes baking a cake. She finished baking the cake at 7:15. At what time did she start baking the cake? So May, she was baking a cake and she spent baking a cake for 1 hour and 40 minutes. And then May finished baking the cake at 17:15. So the question is, at what time did she start baking the cake? Teacher Gun, are you there?
Yes,
Okay, teacher, thank you. Can you translate this one, example number 6? Can you translate in Thai?
อ๋อ ก็คือเขาอบขนมเค้กใช่ไหมเด็กๆ กี่ชั่วโมงคะ 1 ชั่วโมงเท่าไหร่ลูก 1 ชั่วโมง 40 นาที ใช่ไหม แล้วเขาก็อบเสร็จนะคะ ตอนกี่โมงคะ 17.15 ก็คือ 5:15 นาทีใช่ไหม แล้วเขาถามว่า at what time did she start baking the cake ก็คือหล่อนเริ่มอะไรคะ เริ่มต้นอบเค้กตอนกี่โมง ใช่ไหม ดังนั้นเราก็ต้องย้อนกลับไปดูว่าก่อน 5:15 เนี่ย 1 ชั่วโมง 40 นาทีเนี่ย เราเริ่มต้นที่เท่าไหร่ โอเค เข้าใจเปล่า เข้าใจเปล่า Do you understand?
Okay, thank you, teacher Gun.
Okay.
Okay, now class, listen, here's the solution, okay? Here's the solution. Draw a diagram to show the timeline from the time May started baking the cake to 17:15. So this is the timeline, okay? So this is the timeline. So again, May finished baking at 17:15, right? And she spent 1 hour and 40 minutes in baking. So from here up to here, we will count backwards, okay? Count backwards pa sa Thai alay, teacher Kan. Teacher Kan, how do you say backwards? Count backwards in Thai.
อ๋อ โอเค teacher in Thai ย้อนกลับ
Okay,
ย้อน
so
กลับ
class, thank you, teacher. So we will count backwards, all right? So again, she finished baking the cake at 17:15, right? So 1 hour here, that's 16. So this is 16:15, right? So we count backwards. 1 hour before 7:15 is 6:15. Again, from 7:15 to 6:15 is 1 hour. Okay, and then we have to count backwards again for 15 minutes. So 6:15, count backwards 15 minutes. So this is 16. Okay. So from 16:15, count backwards 15 minutes. So that is 16. And then we have to count backwards again for 25 minutes before 16. So from 16, count backward for 25 minutes. That's 15, 35. Okay, so 15 plus 25 is equals to 40, right? Again, 25 plus 15 is equals to 40, so that's 40 minutes. And then from 17:15 to 16:15 is 1 hour. So the answer is 15:35. So May started baking at 15:35. Kaujay, do you understand? Teacher Khan, do you want to translate it in Thai?
โอเค เด็กๆ มันคือที่ครูการพิมพ์ไปอ่ะ มันคือการย้อนกลับใช่ไหม เขาบอกว่าเขาอบเสร็จตอนกี่โมงคะ5:15 ใช่ไหม แล้วเขาย้อนกลับไป เขาทำเป็นไดอะแกรมก็คือเขาวาดเป็นช่วงเวลามาให้นะ อันนี้ก็คือ5:15 เนาะ คือเขาอบเสร็จแล้วใช่ไหมคะ ดังนั้นเนี่ยเขาบอกว่าเขาใช้เวลาในการทำเค้กเนี่ย1 ชั่วโมง 40 นาที เข้าใจไหม เข้าใจไหม ดังนั้นเนี่ยเขาถามว่าผู้หญิงคนนี้นางอ่ะเริ่มอบตอนไหนใช่ไหม ดังนั้นเราก็ต้องย้อนกลับไปก็คือเป็นช่วงเวลาก่อนใช่ไหมคะ ก่อนที่เขาจะเสร็จนะ ก็คือย้อนกลับไป1 ชั่วโมงย้อนกลับไป1 ชั่วโมงแล้วใช่ไหม ก็คือไปอยู่ที่กี่โมงคะ4:15 ใช่ไหม ย้อนกลับไปแล้ว1 ชั่วโมงก็คือ4:15 นะ แล้วเขาก็ย้อนกลับไปอีก15 นาที ก็ลบจาก4:15 ย้อนไปอีกก็เป็นกี่โมงคะ4 โมงเนาะ ก็เหมือนกับ1 ชั่วโมง 15 นาที ลบไป15 นาที ก็เหลือ1 ชั่วโมงใช่ไหมคะ เสร็จปุ๊บพอมันถึงช่วง4 โมงใช่ไหม แต่เขาบอกว่าเขาใช้เวลาอบไปเท่าไหร่คะ1 ชั่วโมง 40 อันนี้มันย้อนมา1 ชั่วโมง 15 นาทีและจะเหลืออีกกี่นาทีคะ25 นาทีใช่ไหม เหลืออีก25 นาที ดังนั้นเนี่ยเราก็ย้อนกลับเวลาไปอีก25 นาทีก็จะเหลือเวลาคือเท่าไหร่คะบ่าย 3:35 นะหรือ15.35 นาทีนั่นเองแสดงว่าเขาเริ่มต้นอบเค้กตอนกี่โมงคะเด็กๆเริ่มกี่โมงลูกกี่โมงบ่ายเท่าไหร่บ่าย 3 เท่าไหร่
บ่าย 3:35 นาทีค่ะ
เข้าใจแล้วใช่ไหม
เข้าใจแล้ว
โอเค teacher student okay
Okay, kids. Now let's have an example. Okay, I will give you an example class. Just give me 1 second. Oh, not this one. Hold on. Okay, let's try to answer this. I have another example. So the example here is, who can read? Boom, can you read the example, this one?
Pete
Spent
2 hours 30 minutes watching TV. He finished watching TV at 9:30 a.m. At what time did he start watching TV?
Okay, do you understand the question, class? Kajoy Mai? Do you understand, yes or no? So Pete spent 2 hours and 30 minutes watching TV. He finished watching TV at 9:30 a.m. At what time did he start watching TV? Teacher Khan, can you translate it in Thai, please?
โอเค ข้อที่2เขาบอกว่า Pete spent ใช่ไหมคะ Pete spent 2 hours 30 minutes ใช่ไหมก็คือ Pete เนี่ยใช้เวลาดูทีวีเท่าไหร่ลูก กี่ชั่วโมง 2 ชั่วโมงเท่าไหร่คะ2 ชั่วโมง 30 นาที
ค่ะ
2 ชั่วโมง 30 นาทีใช่ไหมแล้วเขาบอกว่าเขาเนี่ย finishes watching ก็คือเขาดูเสร็จใช่ไหมคะก็คือดูจบเนี่ยจบสิ้นเนี่ยตอนกี่โมงลูก 9:30 a.m. ใช่ไหมคะก็คือประมาณ 3 ทุ่มครึ่งเนาะแล้วเขาถามว่า at what time did he start watching TV ก็คือคำถามเหมือนเมื่อกี้เลยเหมือนที่อบเค้กเลยว่าเขาเนี่ยเริ่มดูทีวีตอนกี่โมงโอเคไหม
Okay, very good.
โอเคนะ
Now let's try to.
โอเค teacher
Thank you, Teacher Khan. Let's try to draw a number line, okay? So this is the number line. And then let's put here 9. Do you see it? 9:30. So from here up to here, oh, it's 8:30. And then from here up to here is 7:30. So here, 1 hour from 9:30 to 8:30. And then another 1 hour from 8:30 to 7:30. So that's 2 hours, right? So what time did he start watching TV? What time? What time did he start watching TV, class? So this is the time Pete finished watching TV, right? So what time he start watching TV? Eighteen law. So this is 9:30, right? This is the time that Pete finished watching TV. And then he spent watching TV so 2 hours, right? So we still have another 30 minutes. So now, what time Pete started watching TV? Okay, Pete.
2 hours 30 minutes
ไม่ใช่ That's the time Pete spent watching TV. The question is what time he start watching TV. Teacher Khan, can you help me to translate this?
teacher โอเค
What
เด็
time?
กๆwhat time ก็คืออะไรลูก what time คือช่วงเวลาใช่ไหมเขาถามว่าที่ครูการบอกไปแล้วเมื่อกี้ what time did he start watching TV ก็คือเขาเริ่มดูทีวีใช่ไหมลูกตอนกี่โมงใช่ไหม วิธีคิดก็เหมือนกับช่วงที่ไอที่เบกกิ้งเค้กเลยอะโอเคไหมเข้าใจไหมคะ Do you understand
Yes.
เด็ก
Yes.
ๆโอเคโอเค teacher
Okay, now you tell me what time he start or did he start watching TV? What time? กี่โมง
6 hours.
What time, class?
7 hours.
7 p.m. This one, 7 a.m. I'm sorry. The answer is 7. Okay. So Pete started watching TV at 7 a.m. เข้าใจไหม
Okay.
Because here,
Okay.
from 9:30, that's 1 hour. 9:30 to 8:30, that's 1 hour, right? And 8:30 to 7:30, that's another 1 hour. So 1 hour plus 1 hour is equals to 2. But we still have 30 minutes. So from 7:30 up to 7, that's 30 minutes. So now the answer would be 7 because Pete spent watching TV 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we will count backwards. Okay, another example. Another example, class. Teacher Maria, listen up. Teacher Maria spent 1 hour and 30 minutes teaching online. Okay, 1 hour and 30 minutes teaching online. I spent na. And I finished teaching. I finished teaching at 2:30 p.m. What time teacher Maria started teaching? What time teacher started teaching? Okay, teacher spent 1 hour and 30 minutes teaching online, then finished at 2:30 p.m. What time teacher started teaching? Who can answer? Teacher spent 1 hour and 30 minutes teaching online, finished at 2:30. So what time teacher started teaching? Teacher, can you translate it?
โอเค teacher เขาบอกว่า teacher spend 1 hour 30 minutes ใช่ไหม teaching ออนไลน์ก็คืออะไรลูก teacher เนี่ยใช้เวลาในการสอนออนไลน์กี่ชั่วโมงคะ1เท่าไหร่คะ1 ชั่วโมง
1 ชั่วโมงครึ่ง
30 นาทีหรือ1 ชั่วโมงครึ่งใช่ไหมนะคะบอกว่า finishes at 2:30 p.m. ก็คือเสร็จตอนกี่โมงคะบ่าย 2 ครึ่งใช่ไหมเขาถามว่า what time teacher started teaching ก็คือ teacher เริ่มสอนตอนกี่โมงดังนั้นก็คือต้องเป็น backward ก็คือย้อนกลับโอเคไหมย้อนกลับช่วงเวลานะโอเค teacher
Okay, what is the answer, class? What is the time I started teaching? So we count backward, only 1 hour. So that's 1:30.
1:30 p.m.
Oh, very good, boom. So teacher started teaching at 1:30 p.m. Then I finished teaching at 2:30 p.m. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Understand.
Okay, very good. I will send you another homework, okay? That's all for today, class. Thank you, students.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Bye.
Tomorrow.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.